Good evening, and it was a gorgeous day. Welcome back to the Newfoundland Gardener. I'm over in the onion and carrot bed. I planted the onions and carrots a while ago, and I'm out now and they gotta get tinned. So the best way to tin your carrots is to cut them. Carrots, not like all other rooted vegetables, they don't like being transplanted. So when you transplant a carrot, you mockies up the root and you get all those little misshapen and misformed carrots. That also happens too if it strikes a rock or you got too much nitrogen. So I'm going to take you in close while I tin the row. This is all compost, my own compost that I grew, so it is very, very weedy. So when you're doing your carrots, cut them, because the carrot that you choose to keep, you don't want to disturb the root of that one. So just cut the carrots around it. I could have weeded before they got this big, but they're already this big. Time passes so quick in the garden that you don't know nothing for the day gone. So select your biggest one. I'm going to let them grow a little bit close so I can come out and do my first harvest of little onions. That way I'll get some baby onion carrots. Sorry, not onions, folks. Carrots. That way I'll come out and get some baby ones. But I run the string up across, and then I done onions as well. So watch your onions when you're planting them, because they're already in their second year, and onions grow to seed on year 2, just like carrots do. So if you see your onion starting to seed like this one, snip it off. Good. This is our new pup. Her name is Charlotte. And this is our little girl. Her name is Tava.
Can I be in the video?
Oh, looks like me. You're in it. Say hi.
Hi.
Tell me you're...
I'm helping Bob cut his plants.
She's helping Pop cut plant.
And he has some beautiful flowers. Charlotte, come back here. That's Charlotte.
That's Charlotte, folks.
Yeah. And she's going crazy. She keeps scratching.
She's growing.
She loves to go to the beach. And right now I'm going to save her. I'm going to get eaten by a shark.
You're going to save her? Go save her then. She's going to save Charlotte, folks, or she gets eaten by a shark. Great imagination, man. Quite the imagination, eh? So just remember, take your scissors with you and cut your carrots down. Watch onions for starting to go to seed, because this is their second year. Especially when you buy the little bulbs. They say not to plant onions real deep, so I planted them deep this year, because in the past I planted them shallow and it didn't work. So I'm going to try them deep and see what happens. So I want the best established one, and it's best to do it with a scissor, because you don't want the root, the little root from that little plant. You don't want that little root. So every 4 inches or so you can have one. So cut all the rest. You don't need that many. They're getting nice and tall. They're getting established. Oh, there you go. Just be careful. You don't want to cut one that you want to keep. And this bed here was mostly compost, so oh, there you go. This bed is mostly my compost, so as you can see, there's a lot of weeds in it. But when the carrots gets established now, when the carrots gets established, I'll come out and take some mulch and mulch the top of the ground. But the onions is doing really good too. So I'm going to continue to mulch down through this bed, taking my carrots and pass all the way down through. So excited about this carrot and onion bed to see how it does. It's a beautiful evening again this evening, folks. Take a look at this. There's a saying in Newfoundland when the water looks like this. It's called flat off cam. So here is a bunch of carrots and there's way too many there to grow. So I'm going to select one. There you go. Let's do one. Just pick out what you consider is the. That's this one, the one that's standing up the straightest. And like I said, you don't want to pluck these because you'll startle the roots on the other carrots if you're going plucking. So. But there's weeds there too. I try sometimes to save them, but it don't work. So I plan on with some onions, so let's see how we're going to do. There's a little bunch here. Way too many. So there you go. Leave the single ones. Alright. Stuff to break down. So, what a beautiful evening, folks. Job to beat that sunset look. Woo! Anyway, from Bob and Newfoundland Gardener. Let's keep growing on the rock. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.